Alrighty guys, this is Leblon Beach. So this is on the one corner, on the right corner, and on the left corner over there is Ipanema Beach. So this is also surrounded by the area of Leblon and Ipanema. So the town cities are on this side surrounding the beaches, and then just beyond that little mountain lookout spot on that side, the other way is Copacabana Beach and Limi. So I did a bit of that yesterday. I'm going to do some more today. So I thought let me start on the far side. It is Saturday and the weather is beautiful. It's another 30 degrees Celsius scorcher today. So yeah, I'm just gathering my energy, and then I'm going to walk all the way back along the beach, obviously, along the coast. Since I walked. Check the favela over there. So there's favelas all over the place. We saw at the, as you can see, Christ the Redeemer statue as well. There's favelas over there. They're all called different names, but the idea is the same. I think this is the halfway mark. And might be, I don't quite know where Leblon Beach ends. I think it's more in the middle of this part over here, and we're already at Ipanema Beach. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll check on the map and I'll give you the details in the description of this video. Wow guys, it's an amazing day. It's beautiful out here. These guys are jumping off this little formation out here. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Oh! Oh, it's deep down there. Like in Mexico, but I can guarantee you it's not as cold as the Atlantic Ocean in Cape Town. we swim out in Camps Bay, you know that you've been swimming in cold water. It's icy cold. But out here, not at all. I can actually walk into this water without any problem. I swam without any problem, so I mean I didn't even have to think about it. Whew. I would say it's even a bit warmer than the Indian Ocean that we get in Cape Town. So from the Muizenberg, Simonstown and Cork Bay area, we get the Indian Ocean on that side, and this water is actually a bit warmer than that. So it's very pleasant to swim in and very refreshing as well. Best beach in Rio de Janeiro, Ipanema Beach. I think I've just settled that debate. Ipanema Beach. What a vibe out here, guys. What a vibe, man. Wow. Of course, there's many restaurants and bars out here on the beach. This is not exactly on the beach, it's opposite, but close enough. Let's go. Never a shortage of food. There's all these restaurants on the side, and a lot of them have music most of the time. What I mean is they have live bands performing most of the time. Oh man, it is crazy out here. That water looks so divine. All these vendors out here as well, guys. It's food vendors, clothing vendors, ice cream. See those bikes, guys? So you notice many people using these bikes and riding in these dedicated bike lanes, so you can rent them. Right, there's dedicated spots all over the city. I think there's one on the front. I'll show you. I'll get a bit closer and I'll show you where you can rent these bikes, but you got to download the app, and then with the app you then rent the bike for however long you need it. I think it works in increments of 15 minutes, but you can also rent it for the full day, and I think there's also plans to rent it for a month or something like that. So it's very convenient, but you gotta download the app, and unfortunately I couldn't download the app because they would send you a SMS confirmation, or they'll send you a code via SMS and then you need to confirm that code. Unfortunately I don't have an international number and I can't receive any SMSs. Guys, just check out that spot over there. That's where I want to go to at sunset, because well, we still got some time to go. Apparently that is an epic spot to catch the sunset. And for those who know me, know that I'm a sucker for an epic sunset. I chase the sunset. Check this out, guys, man. Check it out. It's Saturday. This is Ipanema Beach. These umbrellas and chairs that you see, they are not free. You have to rent them from these vendors. There's not a shortage of them. They're all over the place.
Aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na Ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. Tem jacaré e capelinha.
Guys, I reckon if you want to swim, then I would not recommend leaving your bag on the beach. I could do that easily in Mexico, Thailand, in the Philippines, but I would not do it out here. Given what happened to me yesterday, I'm just a bit skeptical. So if you wanna swim and you're traveling solo, maybe it's best just to ask somebody. Maybe try and get a family, just to keep your bag while you're swimming. That's what I did earlier today. Some surfers out here as well.
Americano?
Yeah, English.
Speaking um pouquinho.
No English.
Very good caipirinha.
What is it called?
Sandy ou maracuja?
Quanto?
50.
50. Hi. Okay. No, come back. Okay.
No, 15. 15.
15. I think we have more people going towards the sunset spot. So it looks like it's already getting crowded up there. I don't mind crowds, guys, but if it's too crowded, then I'm gonna give it a miss. Then I'll probably try it tomorrow, but given that tomorrow is Sunday, it might be crowded as well, so might not get away with it. So let's just get there and see what the vibe is like. Hot dog, burgers. Sounds good. Even though they are frying something out there that I don't eat, there was also beef. Also get the fresh smell of weed every now and then, guys. It's happening. It's really happening out here, man. That's where Ipanema Beach ends. Then there's a little beach on this side. I'm not sure what it's called. Nice little beach. I mean, it's nothing in comparison with Ipanema and Copacabana. Ipanema Beach, 2.6 kilometers long. Copacabana, 4 kilometers long. So if you want to get fit, you can actually walk from the one side to the other side. You'd have done 4 kilometers. Oh, check this out. Guys, there are just so many views out here, man. Everybody definitely had the same idea. But let's see if we can find a spot. Oh wow. Look at that, man. Ipanema Beach. It's all the sun seekers. Or the sunset seekers. And now we wait. A few more minutes.
Estou tipo Coringa, pira quando vem joga na cara. Vem cá, comigo sem tua amiga chega. Na base todo dia, sacanagem, a gente gosta no jogo. Ela sabe que a vida é assim.
It's been real. So the sun has set. This is Ipanema Beach. And on the far side is Leblon Beach. Thank you, Rio. It's been real. That's the Christ the Redeemer statue on that side. It's a bit far, but it's right on that hill. I'm having one of these. I'm having the passion fruit with rum. I think the other one is lemon. It's 30 hey hi. Right. It's not cheap. Let's go for it. It's a very strong rum taste. Wow. But it is so good. Whoa. I don't do alcohol, guys, but ooh, what can I say? Watermelon, lime, pineapple, and lemon. And that's a passion fruit with rum. So good. Wow, that is stunning, guys. I've seen this picture on postcards only. And I'm right here. Wow. You see the lights of the favela turning on as well. Ooh, guys, gotta say, that rum is hitting me, man. Ooh, I think I need a steak in my life. Like a beef steak and fries, or potato or mash or something. And greens like broccoli and string beans. Yeah. Alright, it's 10 real. There you go. Some butter and salt. Yeah. Butter. Getting there. Salt. Salt. Alright, guys, I'm just. Thank you so much. Really good. I mean, it's what I know. It's a sweet corn with butter and salt. It's really good. I'm still going for that steak though. I feel like I need that steak. I had some of that rum on an empty stomach, so I'm probably gonna pay for it. But guys, as the sun sets out here in Ipanema Beach, Rio de Janeiro, the nightlife starts. As you can see, the activities hasn't stopped. They're just carrying on. People are still on the beach. They're still swimming. This is really amazing, guys. I'm really loving this. I'm loving this vibe. I can live here. I want to remember this night, guys. I'm sitting in Rio de Janeiro on the beach at the sunset lookout spot, and I'm having corn with butter and salt. I'm having a great time, guys. Wow. This I want to remember. I don't know when I'll ever come to Brazil again, but I just want to take in this wonderful atmosphere. This vibe, I'm feeling it, man. Feeling it. It's really great. I hope I'm making you hungry. Some people were saying that my eating on my videos make them really hungry. Well, that's the idea. Turkey bed, chicken, meat, sausage. Okay, I think that's the beef. That's all no chicken. Just the beef. Yeah, just add that. Okay guys, I think I found my steak. I didn't want to take any of the other stuff. I think this is okay for me. I just needed some meat. Alright? So now I have it. And it's good. Tender, soft, and flavorsome. I think I was lacking a bit of I was lacking some protein. And also it's been a long day, so I haven't eaten a proper lunch and haven't had dinner either, so this is good.